Drill press and hand drill. Never wear gloves in order to prevent getting wrapped up in the blade and ensure nobody is standing nearby. Make sure the drill bit is properly tightened. Make sure to put a piece of wood underneath the piece if the piece is long. Clamp your piece into a vise and clamp the vise to the drill press table. Make sure if it swings, it will swing away from nearby people and not towards you. Make all adjustments before turning on the drill press. Additionally, make sure that the table is raised to a proper height so that the handle can be lowered to a comfortable height when drilling the hole. Keep your hands away when the machine is on. Lower the bit slowly into the metal with consistent force. Make sure the bit completely stops spinning before you take out your piece. Clean up the area before you leave.